How to request the buyer to remove feedback inside Amazon Seller Central. Use the Feedback Manager. 1. Go to Feedback under the Performance tab. 2. In the Recent Feedback table, select Contact Customer under the Actions column next to the designated order ID. After you have contacted your buyer and addressed their concerns, you can politely ask them if they can remove their negative feedback. If the buyer agrees to remove their feedback, you can provide them with these step-by-step instructions. Go to Leave Seller Feedback. 2. Click on Completed Feedback. 3. Scroll down to locate the feedback you want to remove, and click Remove. 4. Select a reason for removing the feedback, and then click Remove. Amazon only removes feedback in the following cases. The feedback includes obscene language. The feedback includes seller-specific personally identifiable information. The entire feedback comment is a product review. Strike through feedback if it is regarding fulfillment or customer service for an order fulfilled by Amazon. Note: you may request that a buyer remove feedback. However, you may not offer nor pay any incentive to a buyer for either providing or removing feedback.